Good day everyone. Today I am going to discuss about social literacy, its key aspects, challenges, and its importance. I am going also to cover about people skills and emotional literacy. So what is social literacy? Social literacy refers to the ability to communicate effectively, understand social norms, and engage in meaningful interactions. This also means that social literacy involves a student's successful performance and understanding of social, organizational, and communication skills. These skills extend to interactions with peers, family, co-workers, teachers, and even people we have not met in person. Also, social literacy is important to a person's success as it shapes how individuals navigate relationships and social environments. People skills. People skills refer to the ability to interact effectively with others in various social and professional settings. These skills include communication, empathy, active listening, conflict resolution, teamwork, and emotional intelligence. Social literacy is also closely related to the people skills because it encompasses the ability to communicate, collaborate, and interact effectively in various social settings. People skills is also known as interpersonal skills that are essential components of social literacy, as they help individuals build relationships, navigate social norms, and express themselves appropriately. Strong people skills help individuals build positive relationships, collaborate successfully, and navigate also social situations with ease. They are important in leadership, customer service, sales, and any role that involves working with others. Here are 20 people skills attributes you need. Number 1 is the ability to relate to others. This is understanding and connecting with people by finding common ground and shared experiences. Number 2 is strong communication skills. This involves about clearly expressing thoughts, feelings, and ideas while also understanding what others communicate. Number 3 is patience. Patience with others. This is how you stay calm and understanding when dealing with difficult or slow-moving situations in conversations. Number 4 is the ability to trust others. This means that you believe in others' honesty and reliability, which builds strong relationships. Number 5 is knowing how and when to show empathy. It is how you understand and share the feelings of others and the right time to show genuine care. Also, the number 6. Number 6 is active listening skills. This includes fully concentrating, understanding, and responding to what someone is saying instead of just hearing words. Number 7 is genuine interest in others. This involves showing real curiosity about other people's lives through thoughts and experiences, making them feel valued. Number 8, flexibility. This means that you are being open to changes, different opinions, and new ideas in social interactions. Number 9, good judgment. This is how you are making wise decisions about what to say or do based on the situation and people involved. Number 10, the ability to persuade others. This is about influencing others in a positive way by using logical arguments, emotions, or credibility. Number 11 is negotiation skills. This is finding a compromise or agreement that benefits everyone in a discussion or conflict. Number 12 is the ability to keep an open mind. This means that you are being willing to consider new ideas, perspectives, and experiences without immediate judgment. Number 13 is as a great sense of humor. This is how you are using humor appropriately to make interactions more enjoyable and to ease tension. Number 14 is knowing your audience. This involves about understanding who you are talking to and adjusting your communication style accordingly. Number 15, honesty. This is about being truthful and transparent in interactions, which builds trust and credibility. Number 16, awareness of body language. This includes about recognizing and interpreting nonverbal signals like facial expressions, gestures, and posture in conversations. Number 17, proactive problem solving. This means that you are about to address conflicts or challenges before they escalate and finding solutions quickly. Number 18 is leadership skills. This is about inspiring and guiding others with confidence, vision, and also the decision-making ability. Number 19, good manners. This is how you are being polite and respectful in interactions, making people more comfortable and valued. Number 20 is the ability to be supportive and motivate others. This involves encouraging and uplifting others, helping them feel confident and inspired. To be successful one, social literacy involves knowing how to express one's emotions in a proper manner, and therefore is often linked to emotional literacy. Emotional literacy is the ability to recognize, understand, and appropriately express our emotions. And the key aspects of social literacy is, these are the key aspects include, first, emotional intelligence. This involves recognizing, understanding, and managing one's emotion and empathizing with others' emotions. Second is interpersonal skills. It includes effectively communicating, collaborating, and building positive relationships with others. Third is global awareness. Global awareness, this means about being informed about global issues, cultures, and interconnectedness in a diverse world. Fourth is ethical literacy. This is about understanding ethical principles and making moral decisions in various social situations. However, there are also challenges, particularly in social literacy. First is impact of technology on social interaction. This refers to digital communication, reducing face-to-face interactions. Technology also has made communication easier but has also reduced face-to-face interactions, which leads to misunderstandings and weaker social bonds. Second is cultural and social barriers. This refers to differences in language, traditions, and social norms can make it challenging for people from different backgrounds to connect and understand each other. Importance of social literacy. Now, why is social literacy important? It is important because students must learn the necessary skills to communicate and widen their social circles. So, communication is very important no matter where you go, whether it is being used at home or interact with family members or at school to discuss with peers. Being socially literate allows students to successfully expand their social circles and maintain those relationships. So that would be all. I hope you learn a lot. Thank you for your time and attention.